Do you constantly try to increase your business profits and longevity and fail every time? If you do, then watch this video. Do you consider productivity, time management, communication, leadership, goals, problem solving, creativity, stress management, adaptability, teamwork, emotional intelligence, professional development, decision making, critical thinking, motivation? If you don't, then watch this video, as it may just save your business and livelihood and give you back the life that you've always wanted. The reason why you try and then fail each time isn't because of you or your business, but because of the minds of the business employees. But how do you train the minds of your managers and staff? And why have you not been told that this is the reason? Because it's brain science, and you are too busy working every day to ever discover the real truth. That most training courses and programs are designed to teach individuals their special technical skills, but not the drivers that are behind these technical skills. Most training treats every individual the same, that they are ready to perform at the highest level 24/7, 365 for you. Unfortunately, being skills trained does not equate to exceptional performance, because you are dealing with a mixed group of minds. I know this because of my experience within psychological performance, within elite sports, performing arts, the military, and global businesses, and also related scientific research and evidence finding. I've also felt this way along with millions of others in business, but I managed to find the easy solution and want to share it with you today. And the solution is for you to understand that you cannot train and develop the minds of your staff, but you can facilitate a system where the staff train and develop their own minds individually. The solution just takes a few minutes a day for it to become effective almost immediately, with outstanding results after just 30 days. No experts needed, no extra costs to spend, no traveling, no time restrictions, no difficult jargon. Let my team and I show you in our online program how you can get super profits back and start to thrive once again, all for less than the price of a cup of coffee per day. So beat the mind with the mind. Join this exclusive membership package today.